welcome to another video. Today we're going to be doing some Yu-Gi-Oh! Unboxing. I've already opened the box. If you can see it, it's a gold premium box. Doing some packing. We're only going to do 2 packs because it's only came with 3. And we'll do 1 round. I'm going first. Okay. Because you get, what cards do you get? We get good ones. Right, let's see. Ooh. Oh yes, we got that all like this. Fairy Wind trap card. It says the story is, I don't know. I'll read them at the beginning. No, not at the beginning. At the end. This card, Voro Rockstar, the blah blah blah. Elswarm Orbus. Oh shit. Phantom Lord Ultimate Bushalaka.
What you wanted, baby?
Yep, we're doing a video. Oi. And Cosmo Light Sword. Alright, you're go.
It's my turn. I'm gonna open it, okay?
Oi, Ronnie, where's my... Oh, there's my other card. Okay.
So, first of all, Radiant Mirror Force.
Oh, I know Mirror Force.
Yep, there. And Dante, the Pilgrim of the Bunny Ages.
And Ronnie, we put our best cards. And...
Yeah. Whoa.
Oh.
And Sunzida probably Mega 7.
Oh, what's your best card so far?
Oh, and number 38, Hope Hammer Dragon Gigantic Force.
Oh, Ronnie.
And the final one, Time Space.
Oh, I had that. I had that. I traded for Blue Eyes. Okay. What's your best card?
Number 38, and it's got 3,000 attack.
Wait, can you see this effect? I'm gonna open the other pack.
It cannot be seen close to me. I'm not sure.
Dark Mirror Force.
You will not win.
I don't know what that says.
Oh, read it.
Daigus Emerald, I think that says. Shining Hope Road. And Cosmo Girl.
I won that.
Oh fudge, can I have my cards?
Okay.
Alright, I don't want to put my best card. Wait, where's all my cards? You just took all of them.
Yeah.
We're not doing all of them.
I know.
Why did you just take all of them?
So what are we doing?
No. Well, Ronnie.
I'm gonna have to take any.
Depends which one.
I really want this guy. 2,700 attack.
Can you summon it?
Let me see. Maybe.
Level 2. And you can summon it.
2 level 6 monsters. Yeah, I can. So I'm gonna read this one.
Oh, that's my card. I got that one. Which one you want? Which one do you want?
This one.
Okay, you can take it.
Yes. Okay, is that the end of the video?
Yep. Bye bye.